got a call from a client today saying that their filter's leaking and it's not filtering the water properly. So I got a brand new Onga filter here today to replace it, and we'll see how fast it can clear up this cloudy water. After disconnecting all the power, I'm gonna take off all these old unions, and I'm gonna take off the multiport valve so that I can vacuum all the old sand out of this filter and move it so that I can put the new filter in its place. I need more room to take off the multiport valve, so I'm going to cut off some of these old unions so that I can get in and unscrew the valve. Now I'm gonna get my wet vac and vacuum out all this old sand. When it comes to dumping old filter sand, you can just dump it into a garden and use it as a mulch. I'm dumping it onto this pile of dirt, as an excavator is going to come in a couple of weeks and get rid of all this old dirt, and they'll take the filter sand with them. This filter didn't come with the laterals pre-installed, so I'm going to have to put them in. On this particular filter, the laterals need to have the grids facing down, and also just for me to put them in, I'm going to have to tighten them in while the laterals are in the filter so that it fits. Although it felt a little cramped, I had to put my hand into the filter to tighten up these laterals. Before I fill the sand, I'm going to put something on top of the standpipe so that the sand doesn't go back in the pool. I like to use Zero Clause Zeolite filter media as it efficiently filters out the water and holds chemical balance. You can pick it up at your local Bunnings. Before installing the new multiport valve, I'm going to put some lubricant on the O-ring to make sure that it gets a good seal. While tightening the clamp, I'm remembering that it's important to make sure that it is as tight as possible, as the pressure from the filter can blow the multiport valve off, which could be fatal. Now that the multiport valve is on and all the unions are on and aligned, I'm going to plumb the filter in. Thank you for watching, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.